Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Maths Class with Jailanbi. In the before videos, I gave you the list for formulas for class 10. This video is all about class 11 maths formulas. Mathematics is a difficult and scoring subject if you have clearly understood formulas and concepts. But many students find it tricky to remember all these complex formulas. Maths is a subject of reason and logic. Students must have a clear understanding of the underlying theories. They must understand what the math formulas mean. Only then they will be able to crack the mathematics problems. Before getting into the list of the formulas, I have provided the formulas for each topic in the video. Watch up to the end of the video and can practice the same. Here is the list of chapters. The first chapter is sets. A set is a well collaborated collection of objects. A set consisting of definite elements is a finite set, otherwise it is an infinite set. You can find the essential symbols and properties for sets tabulated here. And these are the formulas for sets. Next chapter, relations and functions. A ordered pair is a pair of elements grouped together in a certain order. A relation or towards a set A to a set B can be described as a subset of the Cartesian product AB, which is obtained by describing a relationship between the first of its element X and the second of its element Y given in the pairs of AB. Here I have mentioned properties will surely assist you in solving your maths problems. Trigonometric functions. In mathematics, trigonometric functions or trikonmiti formula is the real functions that relate to an angle of a right angled triangle forming some finite ratios of two side lengths. You can find the important math formulas for class 11 related to trigonometric functions here. Here so many trigonometric functions. It's really useful video for you. Go through it. The next chapter, complex numbers and quadratic equations. A number that can be expressed in the form of a plus ib is known as the complex number, where a and b are the real numbers and I is the imaginary part of the complex number. Here are some equations, you can go through it. Next chapter, permutations and combinations. If a certain event occurs in m different ways followed by an event that occurs in n different ways, then the total number of occurrences of the events can be given in m into n order. You can find the important math formulas here. Next, binomial theorem. A binomial theorem helps to expand a binomial given for any positive integer n. A plus b whole power n is equal to nc0 a power n plus nc1 a power n minus 1 into b plus nc2 a power n minus 2 into b square plus and so on plus ncn minus 1 a into b power n minus 1 plus ncn b power n. Here we have some expansions, just go through it. Next, sequence and series. An arithmetic progression AP is a sequence where the terms either increase or decrease regularly by the same constant. This constant is called the common difference D. The first term is denoted by A and the last term of an AP is denoted by L. Here we have the formulas for arithmetic progression. Another one is geometric progression. A sequence is said to be following the rules of geometric progression or GP if the ratio of any term to its preceding term is specifically constant all the time. This constant factor is called the common ratio and is denoted by R. Here we have formula for geometric progression. The next chapter is straight lines. Here we have some formulas in the chapter of straight lines. Have a look on it. Next chapter is conic sections. A circle is a geometrical figure where all the points in a plane are located equidistant from the fixed point on a given plane. Here we have some formulas for conic sections. So just have a look on it. The next chapter is Introduction to Three-Dimensional Geometry. The three planes determined by the pair of axes are known as coordinate planes with xy, yz and zx planes. Here we have some important formulas for dimensional geometry. Just go through on it. Next chapter is limits and derivatives. A limit of a function at a certain point holds a common value of the left as well as the right hand limits if they coincide with each other. Here we have some formulas for limits and derivatives. It is a very easy chapter and it's very easy to score. Just go through it. Next chapter, statistics. Here we have some formulas from the chapter of statistics. Just go through it, have a look on it. If you want, take screenshots for future use. I think you will get a doubt, how will these class 11 maths formulas help me get good scores in my final exam? I will clear it. Practicing the math formulas will give a strong foundation in mathematics. The formulae in the fingertip will also help students solve all the problems quickly and correctly. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.